Here's my Four Sisters garden right here. This, the very edge of this large double reach bed. This is the point of it. And I've got 6 corn plants growing in here and 3 achira plants growing in here, so that's 2. We have a climbing bean, that's 3. And down in there we have a squash, 4. If you want to count the marigolds, that's 5. Well, they're actually growing very well together, and I want to share this observation. All the other achira on my property has got holes in it. Bugs have been eating it, but the achira here, nice clean leaves, not a sign of any bug damage at all. So I'm wondering if the corn repels the bugs that's liking to eat the achira. I don't know, but easy to speculate that looking at these leaves. Here's the last radish of the summer. Here it is already the end of July. Of course, this is also the time that you begin to plant fall radish seeds. But we won't have another radish for probably 60 days maybe. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that. Kind of like that. It's going to seed now, so it might be a little tough. No, I don't feel it being tough. I think it's just right. So that'll be food for breakfast and lunch today. And that can be tucked underneath that little mulch bed. I'm going to be picking some shallots and hanging them in the shed for drying.